Hello there. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you this Billing brand solar spotlight or solar light. This particular one does come in a 2-pack. With this, one nice thing is it does have 28 LED bulbs in there. As you can see, there's quite a few bulbs, and it has 800 lumens, so it is nice and bright for you when you utilize it out there. Another nice thing is it does have this multi-adjustable solar panel up here. As you can see, nice slender durable design there with that rotation, so that way you can angle it at whatever rotation or degree you need to have it to get that the best quality solar as well. Another nice thing here, as you can see, is it does have this adjustment here, so you can move the spotlight around however you want it. You just simply screw it back in, and then you have the nice little stake here. Put it down in the ground, so that way you have that good quality for wherever you want it. Another really nice thing about this is when it is fully charged, it has two levels that you can run it on. You can run it on high, and at that point you're going to have 10 hours of light from the time the sun goes down, and if you run it on low, you're going to have 15 hours of light. So you have multiple adjustments on the amount or the intensity of the light, as well as the length that the light is going to last for you. Thank you for watching. Another thing that I do want to mention with this real quick, full disclosure, it was a sample from the company for me to review with you. Again, thank you for watching.